have behind me here is a 2018 Scroll-Tek belt trailer. We just finished up, and I'd like to show you guys how this thing works and what are the benefits of a scrolling floor versus a walking floor. Come on, check it out. We're gonna start off with basic frame and box. So we basically have an aluminum framework with a door plate sidewall. And this door plate sidewall is super tough. It's a galvanized skin with a poly core, and it's shiplap every 4 feet down the side of the trailer. Our steel components would be axles, landing gears, corner brackets inside, rear hinges. There is some welding on this frame. We try to keep welding to a minimum and use huck bolts wherever we can, and regular bolts as well. We have 5 extrusions on this trailer. Top rail, the bottom rail, and the rear post, which we also use to make the door frame. There's 2 more extrusions inside on the subfloor and the side skirt. So, I'm gonna start this truck up. It's going to be a little noisy. I hope you can hear me as I'm talking. PTO in here. And parking lights. All right, so open this up. Inside here we have our control system. This is the hydraulic valve body, controlled with the remote. This is the computer, the PLC, with a backup handheld remote. That's wired in. The antenna. So here we go. This is all remote controlled. We're going to power this on. Little LED flashing. And we want to open the latches. Latch open, latch closed. We're going to hit latch open. And now we're going to hit door up. Inside the back doors here, there's a little latch, and we got our drive system in here. It's a hydraulic motor driving a chain into the rear sprocket. Close this back up. I'm going to hit unload. I want to hit floor unload. This is floor wrap up, floor unload. This is called a scrolling floor. A lot of people don't understand what the scrolling floor actually is. The scrolling floor is quite a bit different than a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt is one continuous belt over the back roll, around the front roll, just keeps going and going and going. A scrolling floor is bolted to the front roll and bolted to the back roll. And when you unload, like I'm doing now, dispenses off the front roll onto the rear roll. There, it stopped automatically. Has a limit switch at the front, and we want to wrap it up. It's going back to the front again. And that stopped the belt automatically coming forward. This is the rotary limit switch. It's just like the limit switch on your garage door. The limits are set from the factory. It's the access lid. You can easily lift it by hand and close it up when you're finished. So now we're finished up, and we want to close the door down. Latch closed. And there you have it. That is the Weaver Systems Scroll-Tek belt trailer. The hydraulic system is super powerful. It has the ability to push your truck forward while you're unloading, just like a walking floor. Only this is going much faster. The trailers come standard with a manual crank tarp. There's also options for an electric tarp. An auxiliary air gauge for monitoring airbag pressure in the axles. Stamped VIN plates, document holder. So people ask, what is the biggest advantage to the belt trailer versus the walking floor? One of the biggest advantages is unloading time. Unloading time is about 60 seconds, so you're right on a minute. So you take your unloading time versus that of a walking floor, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending on your setup. Wow, what a difference you can make in a day's time. That's a huge difference. You can get more loads per day. People also ask me, are you guys the only one that make a belt trailer? Well, the answer is no. We are not the only one making a belt trailer. There are other manufacturers that build this same design, but this is our design. There's more than one way to build a scrolling floor belt trailer. Is it better? That's for you to decide. This sidewall and frame rail combination is really tough, but it does flex, and that is key to a good ride and longevity. If it cannot flex, it will break. And so our design brings together the rigidity and flexibility that it needs for optimum performance, optimum ride, and years of use. It's not like a floppy bag going down the road. It's a very stable trailer. Our fifth wheel nests are made of Hardox steel. You talk about a fifth wheel that'll last for a long time. These trailers are an amazing piece of equipment. Fast unload times, good quality, stiff yet flexible. You need one today, right now. So, hope that answered some of your questions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, have a great night.